Hi everyone, this is the new release of knime conversion, the number 2. The difference between the first one and the second is in the year colon. So what is changed? I insert in the study this with this all this reference. I insert all the difference fuel and for year, and I can place in the order I want a year what I want. And here in the last column we have the product code and product name. So we can insert manually, choosing what kind of product we want to insert. We can update and choosing what of the existing registration we can update, selecting one and change the value, and it is possible from a table choose what kind. We can delete one of the elements. We can insert a year. In this way we can insert a new year. Or we can update a year. In updating a year we can do many things. We can update the year, change the name of the year about this report, duplicating a new year. So we take this one, all this one, in this year, and copy in another year. Or we can change a value of this, of selected part, and change the value resulting. We can manage data detail to change the value, and we can import one things from this selected conversion, and we can choose a report we want. For example, I don't know, this from 28, we choose a year 204, read this sheet, and we have 204 added. If we go in another study, we can import also from HTLM. Select, for example, 206, and we have the 206 value inserted. We add the full name, where we can put the name we want to add. Group name already exists for making the group, this one. This is the euro product code with the expression, with the definition, and we can load from a file given from Eurostat, delete, update, and do anything. Then a sector, indicator, fuel technology, and this is the list of knowed from the program for make a transformation. Another change we have do is this. We complete the export of save export for in Excel for Keen in this way. And we can have all the data, and here all the data. Where there is no data line is gone. And then I can add this point, because maybe at this time I don't have this value for this year. When I receive, I insert this data, and automatically it makes a position. Any order of the year I insert is then ordered from the smaller to the bigger. Automatically. Other solution is the PDF format was the same as before, and make a chart of consumption of all the report, and also by fuel. We can see what's happened during the year in the various fuel study, and see what's happened about many fuel per year. Then we do this JSON converter. The conversion is done, and now we can have a report who is made in text file human readable to security change, and this file can be imported in the Keen converter as JSON path. So automatically I can receive this file from where I want, prepare it, and import in the Keen Studio to manage. And that is all the new thinking of the new future. Good luck.